Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make soya chili. Start by soaking your soya chunks in hot water for about 15 minutes. This makes them soft and ready to absorb all the delicious flavors. Once softened, gently squeeze out any extra water. This step is crucial for a good texture. Next, prepare your vegetables. Finely chop 1 large onion, 2 cloves of garlic, and a 1-inch piece of ginger. Also, slice 1 bell pepper into thin strips. Now, let's marinate the soya chunks. In a bowl, combine 2 tablespoons of corn flour, 1 tablespoon of all-purpose flour, a pinch of salt, and a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. Mix well to coat the soya evenly. Heat oil in a pan for deep frying. Fry the marinated soya chunks in batches until they turn a beautiful golden brown and become wonderfully crispy. This step adds fantastic texture. For the sauce, heat 2 tablespoons of oil in a wok. Sauté 2 cloves of minced garlic, a 1-inch piece of grated ginger, and 2 slit green chilies for about 30 seconds. Add the chopped onions and bell peppers, cooking them until they are tender crisp, which takes about 3 to 4 minutes. Now, whisk together 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of red chili sauce, and 1 teaspoon of vinegar. Pour the prepared sauce mixture into the wok with the sautéed vegetables. Stir well to combine all the flavors. Next, add the crispy fried soya chunks. Toss everything gently to ensure the soya is perfectly coated with the delicious, tangy, and spicy sauce. Cook for another 1 to 2 minutes until the sauce thickens slightly. Garnish with freshly chopped spring onions and serve your homemade soya chili hot.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.